Dear Barbara, there's an opening for a mailroom supervisor at my job. I'm wondering if I should apply. What should I do?
Woo, Mr. Mailroom Supervisor. Been there 10 years, look at you, almost gone. All that lack of inspiration and preparation. Boy, wish you had done better in school now, don't you? Supervisor at the mailroom. Look at me, y'all, I put the mail in the cubby hole. Chasing people down, making sure they get their mail. I got your mail, I got your mail. That's what you want to do. That's okay. That's okay. Everybody gotta do something. Go ahead and apply. I support that. As long as you come in here, let me hook you up with a cup first. I'm thinking, since you mostly forehead, you know, we use that to our advantage, you know, brighten your face up, kind of pull your hairline back a little bit. The supervisor haircut. All that good stuff. Just come on in here. Let me tell you, we'll do it together, all right? I'll see you in the chair.